Hi guys, Ruggero here from One Foot in the Door, and today we're looking at Charlize Theron in Monster. Okay, brilliant performance. This was recommended by Sherkan. Thank you very much, Sherkan. So this is a brilliant performance, first and foremost, for how much Charlize Theron managed to transform herself. And I'm not talking just about the prosthetics and stuff, but literally the mannerism, the way she moves, the way she talks. Literally, if you don't know it's her, you would not recognize her at all. And that in itself is brilliant. But there is more to it than just that, okay? Tiny bit of context. We are at the beginning of the movie, but one thing we have already seen is basically that she is almost at her lowest point. She is suicidal in this scene, and we know that, okay? We don't need to know any more than that, but she is desperate and suicidal. And then this happens.
I'll have a picture. Whatever she's having.
Look at, I'm not gay, all right?
Oh, well, that makes sense. So what are you doing here then?
The truck broke down. I got a pressure cleaning business.
What's pressure cleaning?
You know, steam clean, upholstery, carpets, you know, shit like that. So I'm just getting out of the rain.
Again, because we know that she's lying, because we know that this is all crap she made up, that tiny look to the side that she just gave is extremely powerful, because she played it straight, that she just pretended to be this character, and we can see that the character is a good actress. You know, she's lying convincingly, but we see this little shade that you know, there is something going on under the surface.
My name's Selby.
Lee. You owe me change. I'm out of here.
Oh, are you sure?
Get your fucking hands off me, you dumb dyke. I'm not gonna fuck you for fucking beer, okay? Stop wasting your fucking time.
Fiery, extremely violent outburst there. Extremely believable. And surprising at the same time. We've all seen, unfortunately, instances like that, and it is. And again, on a technical side, she raises her volume, but she's not shouting at the top of her lungs, and we can just see all of her nervousness and just discomfort in this.
I wasn't trying to fuck you. I just wanted to talk to you, and I thought that if I bought you some beer, maybe you'd talk to me. I'm just trying to have one decent night out, you know? Just talk to someone before I have to go back to my parents' closet. I'm sorry.
I love those two reactions she just gave. We can see how bad she feels about having reacted like that, and how much she actually sympathizes with this woman. And that, very fleeting, very fleeting. The camera could have stayed on her, maybe I would have, but you know, Christina Ricci is also a great star and a great part of this movie, so it's important that we see her pain as well. But Charlize Theron's reaction there, we see all the shame she now feels for herself. The fact that she's almost trying to act casual as she goes back to sit down. Again, there are layers to those reactions.
You don't have to.
Very interesting, that gesture she did. You know, anyone else would have just used their hands to get hair off her face. She just does this little twitch almost. I don't know if that's something that she studied, that this is based on a real story. I don't know if that's something that the real person does or if it was just an acting choice, But again, it creates the character, the way she moves, the way she's little twitches. It's great.
There's no skin on my fucking nose, okay? I'm just trying to be straight with you.
So are you really a steam cleaner?
No, I'm not.
That's good. It sounds real boring.
Oh, man, actually, it's a real good job. Pressure cleaning.
You want some?
And it's interesting how, even though her delivery now hasn't really changed from before she got up, but just the actions, the fact that without any hesitation, she straight away accepts the beer, and the fact that she straight up says, no, I was lying, I'm not a pressure cleaner, but she also says it's a really good job, actually. She's now suddenly opened up. She doesn't look like it, but she has suddenly opened up a lot. And again, this creates layers. We see that she's guarded, which is she acts tough, but an opening has been made. Let's rewatch just that little moment there.
I have to go back to my parents' closet. I'm sorry. You don't have to stay.
There's no skin on my fucking nose, okay? I'm just trying to be straight with you.
So are you really a steam cleaner?
No, I'm not.
That's good. It sounds real boring.
Oh, man, actually, it's a real good job. Pressure cleaning.
You want some?
Brilliant. I think this is just a fantastic performance. The whole movie, okay, not just this scene. So if you have a chance, please check it out. It's really good. Guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, let me know if you have any recommendations for other great moments of acting in any movies or TV series. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I'm posting a new video. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.